Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is pre-recruitment functions of human resource management. Recruitment. Recruitment is the process of identifying the qualified candidates for right post at the right time. Pre-recruitment. It starts with analyzing current human resources and comparing with the organizational goal. After analyzing it, conclude whether organization really need to recruit new people or not. It includes making budget for recruitment and selection process and finalizing recruitment strategy. Pre-recruitment is the process of initiating necessary things before conducting the interview. That means calculating the funds, job nature, profile status, type of recruitment, advertisement and selection. Pre-recruitment process. Prior to the commencement of the recruitment process, the following issues must be addressed, and which are funding, position status, position description, recruitment method, advertising and selection. Funding. Prior to any recruitment process commencing, the department manager will ensure that the position was considered within the current budget as set by the company. If funding from external sources will be funding the position, these funding details are to be identified and confirmed prior to the commencement of the recruitment process. Recruitment costs such as agency costs, advertising, travel expenses, accommodation should also be considered and budgeted for. Position status. An assessment of any vacant position will be undertaken by the department manager to determine the future needs for the position. Based on the assessment, the position is to be determined as full-time, permanent, part-time, permanent, fixed-term employment, temporary or casual. The position description will be updated to reflect the position status. Position description. All positions in the organization will have a position description. Prior to any recruitment process commencing, a position description will be developed or updated to reflect the current and future requirement of the position. This position description will be made available as part of the recruitment process. The level of salary or wages for a position will be determined for all positions prior to recruitment. For the purpose of recruitment, a salary or wage range can be set to allow salary negotiations to occur depending on skills and experience of an applicant. Other allowances or benefits must also be identified and determined prior to recruitment, such as removal expenses, private vehicles, telephone costs, and other benefits. Recruitment method. The following recruitment methods may be considered, and the most appropriate and cost-effective method should be adopted. Recruitment carried out by the company itself, recruitment carried out by recruitment agency, recruitment carried out by recruitment consultant. This method is used for senior executive positions only. If an agency or consultant is utilized, the process undertaken by them in the recruitment of staff needs to take into account provisions of this policy, in that the process is required to be fair and equitable to all. Advertising. In most instances, an advertisement inviting applicants will be placed in the newspaper. Advertising in other publications may be considered depending on the position and likelihood of the recruitment. Budget considerations should also be taken into account when advertising in other publications is done. All advertisements are to incorporate company name and logo, position overview, salary and allowances details, specific requirements of position such as qualifications, experiences, contact person and telephone numbers for inquiries, including hours of contact if applicable, closing date for applications, equal opportunity statements, and any other information that may be relevant should be included in the advertisement. Selection process. The selection process of suitable applicants will commence following the closing date for applications and shall incorporate the following: selection criteria, shortlisting, and selection panel. Selection criteria. Prior to assessing applications for suitability to a position, selection criteria will be developed by the departmental manager. The selection criteria will be based on the position description being relevant skill required, experience relevant to the position, qualification that are relevant to the position, past employment history and reference checks should also be taken into account if relevant to the suitability of the applicant. Shortlisting of applicants. Utilizing the selection criteria, a short list of applicants considered most likely to be suitable to a position will be made to enable interviews to be conducted by a selection panel. This shortlisting will be the responsibility of the departmental manager. Documentation on the shortlisting of all applicants should be made, including reasons for exclusion and inclusion of relevant applicants. Selection panel. A selection panel will be formed to conduct interviews with applicants shortlisted by the departmental manager. The selection panel may comprise of minimum of 2 persons and a maximum of 4 persons, with the panel to be balanced by gender dependent on the applicants shortlisted for interview. The selection panel will make a recommendation to the Chief Executive Officer on the most suitable applicants to the position and includes reason for the recommendations.